I can't lie to you, Yachty. The track would flop if Drake and the baby wasn't on it. I'm just being honest. How the fuck did you get famous, dude? Honestly, I'm just confused. I do not mean to be rude. I hope I do not get sued. I think anyone with half a brain could do the shit you do. Children, probably toddlers too. Your fan base is in middle school. Oh.
What's up, everybody? Today we're going to be going over another vocal tutorial. This time we're going to be getting a little bit high tech with things and using some third-party stuff. So if you don't have this stuff, just follow along anyway. It's good to learn about because you'll eventually want to upgrade from the Ableton stock plugins. We're going to get started here with our UAD Auto Tune Real-Time Advanced. Sounds very fancy because it is. It's how we get that Lil Yachty sound. So I'll show you what I do here. We're going to start out by changing the input type to low male because I am a low-voiced male. And then we're going to go, it's in C, so we also know that it's in C major. And that's just going to make our vocal automatically snap to the key of the track. And everything's going to sound good no matter what we say. That's the best part about autotune. And the only reason Lil Yachty has a career. So we're going to listen to this without the retune speed up because that's the next thing we're going to tweak.
Not gonna lie to you, Yachty. The song would flop if Drake and the baby wasn't on it.
So it kind of sounds like shit, right? Well, check it out.
Not gonna lie to you, Yachty. The song would flop if Drake and the baby wasn't on it.
Wow, now it sounds amazing. It was that easy. Oh my god. Next thing, we're just gonna add some additional tracking to it. So bring that up to 100.
Not gonna lie to you, Yachty. The song would flop if Drake and the baby wasn't on it. I'm just being honest. How the fuck did you get famous, dude? I do not mean to be rude. Honestly, I'm just confused. I hope I do not get sued. I think anyone with half a brain could do the shit you do. Children, probably toddlers too. Your fan base is in middle school. Oh.
Yeah. So it's that easy. Extra notes. This is a good plugin for writing lyrics inside the DAW. I recommend it. It's free, and it just makes things easy so you don't have to bounce between Ableton and another app in order to get those notes written down. Next, we're going to jump on our vocal group, and I'll show you what I've got going on there. I like to use the Waves CLA2A, and really the secret to getting a professional sounding vocal, 80% of it is just compressing the shit out of your vocal.
Not gonna lie to you, Yachty.
Like, I have 20 decibels of gain reduction on this, and I mean, that's why it sounds good.
Lie to you, Yachty. The song would flop if Drake and the baby wasn't on it. I'm just being honest. How the fuck did you get famous, dude? I do not mean to be rude. Honestly, I
mean, yeah, without that, it sounds terrible.
Lie to you, Yachty.
And then the gain is just making up for the gain that's being reduced. So we do a big makeup gain here. And that's pretty much everything, just those two knobs. In the CLA2A. EQ8 is just dipping down some resonance here in the 150 region. Our brightness OTT, nothing new here. That's always in my chain. You've probably seen that in past tutorials if you've watched my tutorials before. The Aphex Vintage Exciter. This is a handy little tool to add brightness. It creates inharmonic distortion on your vocal, and it's not that noticeable, but you'll hear a difference, maybe a little bit more if you're wearing headphones.
Lie to you, Yachty. The song would flop if Drake and the baby wasn't on it. I'm just being honest. How the fuck did you get famous, dude?
It just adds a little sizzle, a little sparkle to the vocal, helps it stand out, makes it sound expansive, if you know what I mean.
Lie to you, Yachty.
This is the Fab Filter Pro MB. Also recommend Fab Filter if you don't have it. This is boosting the body with expansion. It's also boosting the high range with expansion. And then it's compressing this upper mid-range a little bit just to tame it.
Lie to you, Yachty. The song would flop if Drake and the baby wasn't on it.
It's not doing a lot, but...
Lie to you, Yachty. The song would flop if Drake and the baby wasn't on it. I'm just being honest.
It just adds a little bit of thickness. It's slight. Not essential, but... Next we have our reverb. Doing a little bit, just 10%. And then Echo Boy by Sound Toys. Whole Sound Toys bundle is a must cop. So if you don't have that, add it to your list. Black Friday's coming up. They usually have some pretty insane deals. All the plugin companies do. So yeah, save up some dough and spend it where it really matters on these third-party plugins. Use my affiliate link. Just kidding. I don't have one of those yet. Yeah. That's pretty much everything. I hope this quick tutorial was helpful to you guys. And if you have any questions, let me know. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.